GS1 Connect 2012. I'm here with Dennis Orthman. We're going to talk about data standards in the healthcare industry and affiliation with GS1 Healthcare, right?
Right.
So start there for me, Dennis.
Data standards is a critical aspect for the healthcare supply chain right now. We don't have any.
Right.
Many of the products that are sold within the healthcare industry are not labeled with a global trade item number. Many of the trading partners, buyers and sellers within the marketplace are not identified with global location numbers.
Oh, okay.
So an effort began within the industry approximately 5 years ago through a group called the Healthcare Supply Chain Standards Coalition that wound up merging with GS1 Healthcare US to push the industry to adopt data standards just like other industries have, so that we can gain the benefits and efficiencies. Interesting part of it all, to me, is that our efforts began around improving supply chain efficiency,
Right.
just like other industries
Right,
have.
sure.
And quickly we realized the benefits for patient safety, much like in the pharmaceutical industry, where automation has helped to prevent the administration of incorrect medications.
Right. So get the right part at the right place, the right patient, the right chart, record it properly, charge for it properly.
Exactly. And so we realized that patient safety is a desired outcome here, and it's become the desired outcome.
Yeah, okay.
But we've got a variety of stakeholders within the industry, many of whom are focused on patient safety, some of whom are focused on supply chain efficiency, but we're all moving in the same direction. And just with this GS1 Connect 2012 conference, we think that we are reaching the point of critical mass where this movement will continue. And we will get there. And SMI is a membership organization of 50 providers and 50 industry partners, real thought leaders in the industry that come together to work on industry issues and challenges. Data standards being one of them. We are very dedicated. We've been an early supporter of GS1 Healthcare US. Our members are actively engaged in pilot programs, use case development, all in support of seeing the adoption of the G10 and GLN and the Global Data Synchronization Network within healthcare.
So what do you see as the biggest issue in terms of the data compliance in the healthcare business? Is it just getting everyone on board, or syncing up their, getting them to all comply with this data standard? Or?
Well, right now it's all voluntary.
Right.
And healthcare has been severely challenged within the last few years.
Right.
The rate of change within the industry has been massive.
Sure.
The speed of that change has been faster than we've ever seen before. Much of the federal effort is around reform, and we are, as an industry, trying to reinvent ourselves in so many different ways.
Sure.
One of which is data standards.
Right.
And so it is hard for many organizations to navigate through the myriad of demands within the healthcare system.
Everything's a priority.
Everything's right. The electronic medical record is the priority right
sure.
now. And actually data standards help to enable that.
Of course.
And so we've tried to make sure that awareness and education is brought forward.
Okay.
We spent the last 5 to 6 years specifically on awareness and education. We have a number of pioneers in the industry that have stepped out there. Many.
Is there anything that you'd say to people that either are more interested in what you're doing or want to get involved? I mean, is there an entry point?
SMI in particular is very interested, and one of my reasons for being here at this conference is to find folks from other industries who have successfully utilized and incorporated the use of the standards throughout their supply chains.
Right.
For instance, the consumer goods industry, one of the early adopters, they are using it throughout. We think that there's a lot of knowledge transfer that can take place from that industry over to healthcare, and we want to help facilitate that. So if any of your readers or viewers are interested in contacting and engaging with SMI, they just need to go to smisupplychain.com. They'll find my contact information there, and they can get in touch with me.
Great, great. Well, thanks a lot. I sure appreciate your time.
Scott, thank you.
It's been very good.
Appreciate it.
All right. Have a
Great.
great rest of the conference.
Thank you. You too.